Next question: how will assets have any utility without smart contracts? I suppose I'll answer that. Well, you don't really need contracts for many things on the RTM chain, unlike Ethereum virtual machine chains. You can have NFTs, for example, connected to art and other digital assets with staggered releases directly from the core wallet. When utilizing the tokens, especially with the futures code that we did earlier on, you can tokenize participation in cloud mining operations, basically anything to facilitate transactions on the blockchain that can represent an investor's stake in a company, or even like serve as an economic purpose like points or certificates or in-game items or things like that, basically. For example, with token issuance, without any additional contracting, a company or project could conduct an ICO or raise if they would like to. So, you know, it's bigger than just literally having assets. It opens up many things.
Yeah.
You could
I
also
mean, yeah,
you
go ahead.
could also make tokens that you can use on other sites or games as in-game currency.
Yeah, and you don't need coding skills. You just need to understand the JSON RPC interface.
Absolutely.
And there are millions of coders who can do that.
Yep.
Solidity issuance of what do you call it? Of tokens is a completely different thing. There really aren't as many people who can do that. And it also boils down to the main issue, which is really security. Because on an EVM chain, or one of the other chains where you've got to code your token and how it interacts with the blockchain, you've got that code as an additional vector. It's not part of the chain itself. But here, with us, it is 100% part of the native blockchain, which means if you want to attack it, you have to attack the native blockchain itself, which is a much more complex undertaking. I mean, some of the DeFi hacks that have happened is just because people haven't upgraded Node.js. Like, literally. Some of the really big hacks. It's a Node puts out a version a month. So imagine trying to keep pace with that.
Yep.
No, just not funny.
Oh, it is not.